we will tour you today to Manila, Philippines. So if you are curious, you want to go here, it's actually fun also, but you have to be careful because there's a lot of people. A lot of people, maybe pickpocket. Charot. No, but if you are nice, they are nice to you also. But just don't look stupid. Charot. Naku, parang uulan pa. So today's video, we're going to Chinatown, Binondo, Divisoria, everything. So if commute, we take the jeep and then babaybayin niya yan dyan eh, di ba? Until we reach the Divisoria. But since we are bringing the car, so usually we park at Lucky Chinatown to be safe. Meron din naman dong mga parang side parking, kaya lang peace of mind. Peace of mind. And then I'm so hungry. Sana di umulan because it's better to walk. Hindi umuulan-ulan eh. So nandito tayo sa may Taft. Or you can also take the ano ba yan? LRT dyan sa taas. So you have a lot of options to go to Divisoria.
Rider na traffic light eh.
Okay. So this is Manila if you are curious, and there are a lot of universities. So ito Philippine Christian, last one is Women's University, PWU. And then here at Pedro Hill we have the University of the Philippines, Manila. Okay, so dito po matitest na po kaagad yung relasyon nyo kung may drive po kayo sa Manila. So many people swerving left, right. They don't know what they want. Oh, this is Adamson University. Adamson pala dito.
Sa kabilang side. Parang tunnel.
Okay. This is the tunnel. Okay. Oh, why the baby doesn't have helmet? Ano ba yan? Stress na ako. Ayoko na, babalik na ako sa Malaysia. Char! Grabe. They have to do something about the motorcycles.
Oh, eto nga, sundalo pa yan.
Ang dami. Marami din kasi motorcycle sa Malaysia, but it's not like this. Hindi mo siya swerve siya ng swerve. Kung saan-saan. Kung saan-saan na.
In 500 meters, use the left two lanes.
So, yes, before you reach you have to have a lot of patience, time, hindi ka nagmamadali, good driving skills, and a dash cam. But actually, it's beautiful naman din. So this is like part of Manila. Welcome to Manila, guys. So in 300 meters, we're going to Binondo, Divisoria. Welcome to Manila. So traffic. This is the Manila City Hall. Wow, meron palang ferry station dito. Is it the one in the movie?
Yata.
Oh! Oh, kasi di ba para sa U-Belt sila? Right. It's one of our favorite movies. In Malaysia. Setting is in Malaysia. Yes. So, this side is maganda, pretty. Yan. So, wala na tayo dun sa stress. We are now entering the Lucky Chinatown. Yan. Pretty din naman yung Manila eh. Huwag lang dun sa trafficy area. So, this is the Chinatown area of the Philippines, which is called Binondo. And then here we have something similar, like where I went to Shanghai. Actually they can go here. It's cute Something different. Yan. Arc of Filipino-Chinese friendship. Yan. Friends daw. Kayo naman. Kasi issue kayo eh. So, this is really like China. Look. And then they just finished the Chinese New Year, di ba? So, yan, ganyan. O yan, we're back to the traffic area. Eng Bitin. When was the last time we went here? 2022? 21? 21 or 22? Welcome back, Chinatown.
China Ram.
This
Pin
one
Street.
naman, the Ong Pin, is about golds. Tama ba? Gold, ganyan.
Use any lane to
And
continue
then-
on Indian Paredes.
The Divisoria naman is about cheap items, like the Shopee items. And then there's a lot of Chinese food stalls here, like the original 19 something pa. But in Lucky Chinatown, they have Serenity, which is nice also. Pero at least parang yung nasa mall siya if you don't want to go out because it's very, very hot.
In 100 meters,
And yeah,
use the right 2 lanes to stay to the right to Reina Ray Hente North.
yan, Lucky Chinatown. So this is like our favorite mall. If you don't want to go out, yan, as what he said, kapag halimbawa may mga oldies kayo, tapos di na nila kaya yung maglalakad-lakad outside, they can just stay here inside the Lucky Chinatown Mall. But if you are young and vibrant like us, char! Of course, you need to walk outside to find like authentic
Turn left on
Chinese
LPM Access
old
Road.
restaurants, and then yung mga tawad-tawad stores, ganyan. Let's go. Lucky Chinatown na tayo. Lucky Chinatown. So we are at the Peking Duck area. Dumplings! Ang cute ng mga name. Dumplings. Where did you park? At Dumplings. Cute ng mga tea. Nandito tayo sa tea. O, diba? If di ka makapapunta sa China, dito ka na muna sa Lucky Chinatown. And then this is the outfit. With your tote bag and then small bag. Chinese feels na talaga. Pati yung tugtog. Air Asia muna. Kung hindi kayo makakapunta sa China, dito na lang muna kayo sa Chinatown. Chinese feels na talaga siya eh. Wala silang parang thrift shop. Pero ito naman mga Marikina. Oo nga, ang ganda. Oo, tinan mo. Kaya yung sinasabi ko na ganda yung mga Marikina, tapos leather talaga. So, bag strap, 149 lang. Leather belts.
Ganda pa ng galang ko yan.
Oo nga. Ito,
Okay.
Ito ang ganda. Ay, oo nga, no, ang ganda. Okay. So, this is what I was saying. If, for example, yan yung afford mo. Diba? And Marikina is known for leather. Magagandang leather talaga. Pero meron silang mga sale na. Yun nga yung ganda. With a scepter. Yan. This is Daiso also. But Daiso here kasi not complete eh. Oil humidifier mamaya. Malapit siya sa Havaianas. I will try. So first we will eat at Serenity. Dito muna tayo sa mall because we are very hungry. And then later na lang mag-street food. And then that's the Divisoria malls one. Later we'll go there. Sincerity. Oh, sincerity naman talaga eh. Let's eat. Ito na siya, this Chinese food but still inside the mall. So kung hindi nyo gusto lumabas-labas, sincerity. Yan o, from 1950. Ayan. Ito na yung sincerity. fried rice, diba? And then, this is the real kikiam. And, ayan, nasa mo yan. Ano yan? Lumpiang fresh lumpia. And then, we still have the buttered chicken but we're waiting for it, okay?
Sarap. Sarap.
Because the kikiam that you buy ano yan, mga puro-puro, hindi ganito eh, no? Diba? So, little rice
Ang sarap niya.
yan, gula.
Ang sarap ng sauce, eh.
Talaga. Ayoko na naman. Hindi ko paano mo post yung ano mo eh, yung sa pizza mo. We are trying to live healthy, so half rice lang.
Ano na yun?
Wow! Ay, grabe, ang daming
Some
gulay.
lettuce, some tofu, then some sweet sauce.
Si Gordon, ano naman, transweet. Share up. Nga natin kung masarap talaga o chinacharing lang tayo. So without the sauce.
Kayo ba yung mga gulay na loob? Ang sarap. Masarap.
Then with the sauce.
Light lang ang sauce. Medyo matamis ang sauce talaga.
This is for the chicken or for the chicken? Ay, sa chicken yata to. Hindi marunong kumain na chicken. So this is the chicken.
Or yan.
It's the real kikiam.
Karne
Not the
talaga.
fake kikiam.
Ketchup. Try natin ketchup. And hot sauce. Hello.
So later we'll eat the street food. But for now,
Dim sum. Yun.
yun, chicken. Ang dami.
Wala ka.
Kikiam.
Pero,
This is for the kikiam food.
bawas lang.
Okay.
Chicken.
This is their famous chicken. Kasi masarap talaga siya. Tapos creamy, all that. So,
Okay. That's it.
let's eat. Itadakimasu. Ba't ang dami nung sa akin? This is unfair. Give me the most.
Go lang.
We're on a diet. Charot. Tapos puro food din. Diet. Sarap ng chicken nila, no?
Di ba yung ano?
Uy, tira naman si Bunny niyan. Baka na. Sabi ni Bunny, baka makatikim din ako ng sincerity. They have their secret ingredient.
1956 pa, secret na. Same lang ng sauce yung chicken at saka yung ano, kikiam.
Nice. Ako isinipin sa siomai and sa kikiam gravy.
Ah.
Sarap eh.
Kailangan natin mag-load ngayon.
So far, we are still on time because it's like brunch, 11 to 12. And then, yun na, lakad-lakad na tayo. Onwards. Because I think also like in Shanghai, ganun din. They open at 10, they close at 7. So, you need to prioritize where you are moving. Kasi kung hindi, sarado na siya beyond 7. So, kain na kayo beforehand and then after 7 na lang kayo mag-dinner. Kasi yung mga shops, they will close at 7. are now going to the Binondo area for some street food. So, gaano siya kalayo? What time is it now? 12:30. O, diba? Naglakad kami katanghalian na. So, yan. Lakad-lakad na tayo.
Pwede ba ganyan yung tsura sa Hong Kong?
Ganyan ba? So, Disneyland pa lang kasi ako nakapunta.
Oh, dress
dun.
shop, oh.
Hindi, joke. Ano
Dress.
yan?
Dress.
Shop. Bibili ka ba? Dress? Ano to? Maraming nag-take out ng dumpling.
Ah, Dongbei. Yan pala
Ano
yung
yung
Dongbei.
Dongbei?
Lagi pa kayo sa mga ano rin. Lagi pa kayo yung pink.
We should have just eat outside pala. Hindi, joke
Kaya
lang.
that's okay. Gusto ka tayo.
Na kami kanina. Serity muna. Not even 5 minutes. Ah, maybe because
Hindi, yung papasok pa doon.
we enter kasi yung mga streets eh. Kasi kapag tricycle, dun siya sa main.
Ayan pala yung cafe mezzan.
Already open. Wow! Ay, yan. Diyan tayo kumain nun last time. Okay. Okay, so here, welcome to Chinatown. Ay, baka.
Diba yung parang paikot ng mga mukha?
Udas. Ang dami mga bilihan for the Chinese New Year. Ang saya. Feels like, Chongqing. Yay! Welcome to Chinatown. Diba?
Gusto nila no mainit.
Yes. Ingat. Ito yung mamaya, pang merienda natin. Shanghai Fried Siopaw. Ito daw yung sikat na jewelry.
Ano,
Ang galing oh. You can customize your bangles. Wow! So may silver are back. Oh. Ganda oh. Ganda talaga. Maganda kasi talaga yung silver. Dahil nagmamahal ang gold ngayon, silver na lang. And this is my original Tiffany. Diba? So, yan na. Yan. Ito kami nagpa-revere ng mga Sama din siya sa pagbili-bili ng mga gold. So, medyo nagmamahal po yung golds natin. Ang cute. Oh! So, now we are in the number mall. 118
Lucky Malls.
999. 168 is the most famous. And that's
Tutuban.
Tutuban. Yay! And then this is the old Manila Textile Market. Yes. Oh, diba? It's like the Shanghai one, but we have more stores here. Pero kasi dito mga normal lang eh. Sa Shanghai, talaga, like fake copy items. Here we have a lot of shoes also. Oo nga, mas marami pang stores dito kaysa sa Shanghai. 50 lang. 3 ringgit only. Libre palagay. Wow, stuffed toys. Ang laki. Bananas and pajamas.
Banana lang siya, wala siyang pala.
So nice. Oh, franela, 120 lang. Bags. Wallet. Oh, diba? This only 500 pesos. Ganda. So cheap. 40 ringgit only. Look at that. Go to Philippines. Branded. Yung iba. Ayun na oh. Di ba gusto mo? Oh, 250 lang. 20 ringgit. Ah, ito pala eh. 168. Hi. pwede ako magpabutas siguro dito mamaya. There's more options here pa pala. Oh. Shala. Why did I go to Shanghai?
Ha?
Everything is here. Dogs need so much nice fashion here. You see that? Oh. And cheap too. They have Indiana. Ang ganda. Everything's here. Oh! Sikat ka na, joke lang. Alin yan? Ay, ano, ang bilis naman nila magsara. Kulang ang time. So, hindi, sabi ko na sana binili ko na kanina yung pants and shirt. Wala akong pants and shirt. Oh my God. Store na to pa. Ang global talaga. Kaso lang, they close too early naman. Ganda. Ito kuya, magkano yung ganyan? Yung mga Hermes na. Itong bag.
5,000.
Dami pala dito eh. What Chinatown? Prosperity Street. Wow! Grabe, nabot ang gabi. Hindi ginaya, nag-dinner. Muna ka. Grabe, sobrang nakakapagod. But fun. Ay, kagutom. Grabe. Of course. My favorite.
Ha?
My favorite. Napagod.
Kailangan ng comfort food. Tissue na lang. Panghang na, inamnaman pa eh.
Sarap talaga. Favorite ko talaga. Sarap. Okay, oh. Hi! Bali, coffee.
Coffee.
Para hindi antukayin. Good job.
We need
Good
coffee.
job.